This is lesson 97 in Saxon's second edition, Algebra 1/2, and this is on variables on both sides of the equation, and it's really just adding one more step to what you already know how to do. So let's get started. The first example we have says solve 3x plus 3 equals x minus 5. So normally you would have had something like 3x plus 3 equals 5. And then you would have subtracted the 3 from both sides, and then you would have gotten 3x equals 2, and you would have divided by 3, and you would have seen that x is equal to 2/3. Alright, with this lesson we're going to add one more step. See, we have x's on both sides, so we need to get the x's on one side and then the numbers that don't have an x on the other side. So this x right here we're going to subtract, so we're going to subtract it on both sides to keep it balanced. And when we do that, we're going to see 3x minus x is 2x plus 3, because we just bring this down, equals negative 5. Then we take it from here, just like we were doing here, because this looks just like this. So we subtract our 3 from both sides. We get 2x equals negative 8, divide by 2, and we see that x is equal to negative 4. Alright, let's work it a different way, the same problem. In this example, we're going to start by getting rid of this 3 first. And it really doesn't make any difference which one you do first, okay? I'm going to show you actually 3 different ways to work these equations. So in this one, we're going to move get rid of this positive 3 by subtracting 3 on both sides, and we have 3x equals x minus 8. Now we need to move this x, so we're going to subtract it because it's positive, so we need a negative to equal 0 here. So we subtract 1x on this side also, and we see that 2x is equal to negative 8, just like it was in the last frame. Divide by 2 on both sides, and x is still equal to negative 4. Alright, let's look at doing it one more way. This is a different equation, but you can see I've combined some steps here. I need to move this 2x over here, so I'm going to subtract 2x on both sides. And then I need to move this 2 over here. I need to have it cancel itself out here. So I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. So I just go ahead and do all of that. Now, the caution for doing it this way is you can't forget to do on both sides whatever you're doing. Now, once we've done that, we cancel the 2 middle terms, which is usually what you're going to want to have done. 4x minus 2x is 2x equals 5 minus 2 is 3. Divide both sides by 2, and x is equal to 3 over 2. Alright, let's do one more. 4x minus 2 equals negative x. Now, you see there's nothing over here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a plus 0, because I'm going to have to add this 2 to something, and I need to keep it in the right column. Alright, so we have the negative 2, so we're going to add 2 on both sides. And here we have a negative x, so we need to add an x on both sides. When we do that, you see that we have eliminated the middle terms, and we have 4x plus 1x is 5x equals 0 plus 2 is 2. Then if we divide both sides by 5 to cancel this out, we have x is equal to 2/5. Okay, let's go ahead and work our practice problems, and we'll be done with this lesson for today. Okay, negative 4x plus 3 equals 7x minus 8. Alright, to save time on the video, I'm just going to go ahead and combine my steps, do everything at once. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides, and then I'm also going to subtract 7x from both sides. I've got everything lined up in the columns that it needs. I have eliminated these 2 middle terms. Now I add negative 4 plus negative 7 is negative 11x equals negative 11. When I divide by negative 11, I see that x is equal to 1. Okay, let's do the next one. 2x minus 5 equals 6x plus 4. Alright, I have this negative 5, so if I add 5, it cancels this out, plus 5. Here I have a 6x, so I need a negative 6x to cancel it out. Get everything lined up. I've eliminated the two middle terms. 2x minus 6x is negative 4x equals 4 plus 5 is 9. If I divide by negative 4 on both sides, I have x equals negative 9 over 4. Alright, good job. Again, this is just adding one extra little step. It's nothing really that you're not used to doing already. It's just a little more of it. And good luck. I'll see you back next time for lesson 98.